magluluto tayo ng try natin ang parota or parota. Kung bibilhin mo ito is 30 pesos isa or 35. So, ang ginamit ko is flour all-purpose. Then, alagyan natin ng konting salt. Tapos, ayan, konting salt lang guys. Ito try natin siya. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-roll, unroll kasi gagawin natin yung dough na malambot na dough. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng konting oil. Tapos, depende sa iyo kung gagamitin mo butter or fry. So, ito yung parota. Kasi kung hindi niyo alam guys, I'm so crabbing on this. Parota na to. So, I try. Then, water. Add some water. Ganyan lang siya guys. Try natin yung dough na soft dough. Well, 5 minutes lang to gawin. Hindi na kailangan na magmamasa nito or mag-rolling and rolling, you know, how to make it dough for donut or bread. So, ito is simple lang guys. So, let's try kung ano nga ba. Kung magaya ba talaga, di ba? So, ito try lang talaga natin guys. Wala namang masama mag-try, di ba? So, yeah. Ito na yun. So, of course, magpainit ka ng kawali mo. Yan. So, ang sa akin guys is nilagay ko is butter. Pero, pwede kang gumamit ng oil if you want. As you like. But for me is I prefer a butter. Kung wala kang butter is use oil. So, ito na yun. Tipid tips to guys, no? Homemade. Diba? So, ayan. Lagay natin ng konti. So, ito try natin kung totoo ba na mangyayari yung lalabas siyang parota talaga. Parata or paruta or fita, like a fita bread. So, ayan. Okay. Let's see. Wait and see. Diba? Oops. Actually guys, it's first time kong gumawa nito. Try ko lang talaga siya. It's gonna be like a pancake siguro. Or paruta lang talaga. I don't know. Let's try. This is my first time I made it. Ayun. O diba guys? This look good naman. Pero maybe better na you use a oil. But for me, I would like to use the butter. Yan. Sana magmukha nga talaga siyang parata. Diba? Let's try. Kasi kapag bibili ka nito, ang isa nito is 30 pesos. So, the whole or purpose flour na yun is 28. So, gagawa tayo ng parota na smooth dough. 5 minutes be ready. Yan. I hope it's not gonna be look like pancake. Sana naman is gonna be look like a parata talaga, diba? Ayan siya guys. So, ganyan lang. Very easy lang. In 5 minutes, ready na siya. Very soon guys, is ready. Ayan. Oh, totoo naman pala talaga guys. Oh, pwede na pang breakfast. Diba? Kasi sa akin, I prefer this to be a breakfast with milk or coffee. But I'm not allowed in coffee right now. So, milk na lang. Thank you for watching guys.